Hello everyone, welcome back at Techtastic. The Google Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL are still around 4 months away, but some recent unveiled information about the flagship series that suggests a massive change could be on the way. As to Prosser's credibility, he previously provided leaks for both Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL that turned out to be accurate, and was also the first to confirm the existence of Pixel 3a and Pixel 3a XL. Here is all available information about Google Pixel 4 which has surfaced in last few hours. The Google Pixel 4 could ditch all physical buttons. Prosser said in his video that Google might just ditch all physical buttons and will go with an all aluminum frame. If the YouTuber sources prove to be near accurate, we would have to say goodbye to the physical power button and volume rocker that are even found on most high-end devices. Instead, Google will introduce a substitute to these physical clickers, and that it will most likely be in the form of capacitive touch alternatives. The reason for this major change was not disclosed, but it could potentially have something to do with an existing feature. The Pixel 4 series, like previous generations, is expected to support Google's Active Edge squeezable frame. Stereo speakers and a punch-hole display seem extremely likely. Jon Prosser's source also collaborated a number of recent leaks and rumors. Specifically, he verified the presence of a camera cutout on the Pixel 4's display and the subsequent lack of a notch. The new display will be paired with uniform bezels and an extremely thin chin. Despite this, however, Google is reportedly retaining the front-facing stereo speaker setup found on the Pixel 2 and Pixel 3 lineups. Now about the new camera. The Pixel 4 flagships should be a new dual camera setup on the rear. It's unclear at this point if Google will pair its second sensor with a telephoto zoom or a super wide-angle camera. But rumor has it the setup will be aligned horizontally on the top left corner rather than vertically as seen on many smartphones these days. Now what about the processor and the operating system? Like the Galaxy S10, LG G8 ThinQ and OnePlus 7 Pro, the Pixel 4 series is expected to arrive powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. This chip should be accompanied by 180GB of storage and, for the first time ever, 6GB of RAM rather than just 4GB. As you would expect from a Google smartphone, the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL will ship with the latest version of Android straight out of the box. Google is probably preparing its first 5G-ready smartphones, but 5G connectivity is unlikely to make its way into the Pixel 4 line. Lastly, in regards to a release, the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL will most likely to be announced during the second week of October,